breakdancing, that's fine. Come on, man, you ain't gonna have it all the time. Police don't mess our show up. All we ask you to move in nicely so the police don't hassle. Could you please move in a few steps, please? Thank you. Move in, please. Thank you. That's all we ask you. Come on, man. You mess our gig up, the police gonna kick us out, then what we gonna do? Come on, man. Come on, Obama is winning. You have a chance. Come on. You have a chance for change, man. Change yourself. Keep it real. If y'all want to watch it, Joy, you don't have to put nothing in the basket. If you don't have it, it's fine. Don't mess up the people blocking up and down the train station. Y'all act like y'all ain't got no schooling. Come on, man. Most of y'all got jobs, right? Keep it real. Obama is winning, man. Stop looking sad. You want Obama to win or you want McCain? Either one. Come on, man. Good. Alright, we want to see you in the middle of these songs.
Stop that.
Alright, here we go. Everybody got your hands. Hey. Lose some weight. Snap your fingers. Clap your hands. Come on. 5, 6, here we go. Hey, big girls talking about skinny girls. Skinny girls talking about big girls. Do your thing. Do your thing. Come on. Let's go. You talk about the skinny girl. Skinny girl talking about the fat girl. Fat girl. Go ahead, do your thing. Shake your chicken wing. Shake your balls off your feet. Come on now. Everybody. Hey. Check your shit legs out. Yeah, put your hands together if you know the hands are. A lot of you don't. Third grade. Hey, we ain't asking for nothing. You got it, you got it. You know, thank you. Appreciate it. Obama is winning, you still got a chance.